this video, we are going to be replacing and cleaning out our mass air pressure sensor, the MAP sensor in this 1991 Honda CRX. This also applies to Civics of this era. And so your actual MAP sensor is living in this thing right here. And I have another one off a donor car that I have. So right now we're looking at it like this. If you were to tilt this up, this is your actual MAP sensor right here. And so as you can see, you've got two Phillips screws that hold this in, as well as a 3-pin connector. And you've also got a 10 mil bolt right here that holds this thing against the firewall. And so the way to do this, and I'll show you guys, is to basically start by removing that 10 mil bolt right there. And then there's a little hook right here. So you're gonna slip this to the left. And then once you do that, this whole thing can kind of come down. You can leave the vacuum lines attached, but you will need to disconnect the vacuum line that leads to your MAP sensor. And once you've done that, you get those two Phillips screws out, and then this thing just drops out and you can put in a new one. And then in the process of cleaning your MAP sensor, you can shoot, I think, carb cleaner or some kind of cleaner or pressurized air into this thing, or you can just replace it. I'm a fan of replacing it just because these things are getting old, but that is the process. And so once you've done all that, you can put this all back together and you'll have successfully cleaned and or replaced your MAP sensor. So I'm gonna show you guys some clips of how we do this, and stay tuned.